Hi, I'm Paul Lisanti with Keller Williams Signature. Let's talk about buying in the seller's market. First step, you need to determine the type of property you're looking at. Is it a one-bedroom condo or is it a brand new multi-million-dollar custom home? Even in the same neighborhood, these have different market stats. Next, what is a seller's market? A seller's market is when we have more buyers than sellers. And how do we use that? Using statistics and months of inventory, which we define as the amount of time for all of the listings that are currently available to sell off, presuming no more new listings become available. Now, what's the formula? I thought you'd ask. I'm going to give it to you. It's the number of properties currently listed for sale divided by the number of homes sold per month in that area, in that type of property, right? Next, 0 to 3 months, that number, okay, if it's 0 to 3 months, we consider that a seller's market, which typically reflects upward trends in our prices, okay? 3 to 6 months is considered a balanced market, and 6 months plus, we consider that a buyer's market. Prices are declining. So, we're talking about seller's market though. So, how do we do that? Step one is to be educated. You need to be familiar with the neighborhood, with the prices, with days on market, so that you can be ready for when the time comes to find the property you're looking for. How do we do that? You're talking to me, you're talking to your agent, you're talking to whoever it is that gives you the best information, not the news. Okay? Next, be ready and be the first to see the property and to be the first to prepare an offer. Okay, the more time you have with that offer, between you and the seller, the more time you're going to have to figure out the nuances of what they're looking for and what you're looking for. Lastly, we're talking about multiple offers. Now, this is a whole other video we can talk about. I'll give you one tip right now, is you need to know your price limit. What happens, a lot of buyers can get carried away with their pricing. So if you know your max price, and the way I look at that is you'd be okay with someone else paying $1,000 more for this property. Okay? If you have any questions, you can reach out to me by email, paul@paullisanti.com, or call or text 289-813-3773, and I'll see you in the next video.